today we're going to find out if Prince Harry is acting as a working royal for the Angola visit.
Hi everyone. We are going to ask some royal and very non-royal questions today. And we are going to use our brand new little pendulum that I received from all of our beautiful friend Shanta from Mystical Fortune. I love it. It's got copper around it and some little magnets here, and I have cleansed it, but I'm gonna just Shanta, if you're listening, when I came in this room today, it smelled like roses. It was so beautiful, and I'm using the new Rosicrucian Rosic why can't I say that? Rosicrucian incense. And I've already cleared it, and so we are going to ask some questions that, as you can see, after this. Okay, I'm going to put the little picture up after this, a screenshot that I did, and it was on the royal website. And even though Harry is, everybody calls him an ex-royal, it's still on the royal website that he is a Counsellor of State. Now, that being said, he went to Angola, and all of these people on X are having a fit. I am not. It says that he is one of the counselors of state, and it also says if the king cannot carry out that, then they will use counselors of state. So, I mean, Charles can't be everywhere, right? And I am not the only one that said they are going to bring him back. Now, I know I said that probably not royal duties, but it's not going to be royal duties to us. We're always going to say, why is he doing that and stuff? But I'm going to say, I guarantee you, but this is for entertainment only. This video is for entertainment only. So I don't want to say I guarantee you, but I feel like saying that. That he is doing this for the royal family, and also, not only that, getting 47 million for is it the Diana Halo Foundation or whatever, and the fake walk that he did for the landmines, I don't know. I cannot uh, stomach him, but that's probably what it is. I'm just going to ask the questions here and stuff. And remember, we have our little 222 angel number 222 with us too. I was saying all that stuff, and I looked over there and 222 came up. So anyway, we're just going to ask some questions and use our brand new little pendulum. And how about, would you guys like to see if it would spell out its name? Some people have been asking, so let's just ask. Why don't we just ask? Hello, would you please spell out your name for all of us, please? It's going to yes. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a kickstart so you can have a wider range, go to the letters easier. So what is your name, please? Beautiful Pendulum. What would you like us to call you, please? Okay. Is that Is that an A? Is that an A? Okay. A. Next letter, please. Um, Next letter, please. I just have to give you a little kickstart. Your first letter was A. What is your next letter, please? Okay. Oh, you're changing. What is it, please? You keep stopping. Okay. Please tell us the next letter in your name. The first letter was A, and you said yes. Okay. Is that an S or... Okay, A-S. Is that a T? Yes or no, please? Okay. Is the next letter a T, please? A-S-T? Yes or no? Okay, it's going to yes. Okay, next letter, please. Oh, is that... It looked like you're going to A before it stopped. Is it A? Yes or no, please? I forgot to say yes is vertical and no is horizontal. Okay, you got A-S-T-A. Is that an R? Okay. A. Is your name Astara? Is it Astara? Is your name Astara? Wow. It's going to yes, guys. Okay. Yay, we figured it out. Beautiful, Astara. Okay. All right. So we are going to ask a question about Harry, Prince Harry, and why did he go to Angola? Was it for a Sussex thing? Was it for Sussex? Oh, that's going to know. Was it a royal engagement? Was it a royal engagement? It's going to yes. I told you guys. Is Harry secretly doing royal duties? Now, I'm telling you, I am not the only one asking this question, and that other people are asking it and getting a yes. And so, is Harry, Prince Harry, doing royal duties? Like, it's going to yes. And sometimes I can't believe it after everything. But we did say, um, and sometimes I'm wondering if, like, he's putting on a show like he did, if he was posing, I mean, this is what goes through my mind when I see that stuff. I'm like, this is so fake that it's gotta be some underlying, not just, I just, That's what I feel like anyway, guys. Thank you. Get you nice and clean. Okay. So is he? Well, let's just ask this because I don't believe that he is dealing with William, but is he talking to William at all? Is he talking to William at all? And I think I'm just going to have to kickstart. This is quite a heavy, so I'm going to have to keep it kickstarted and then let it swing. Is he talking to William at all? That is going to no. Okay, that makes sense. Is he talking to his father? Is he talking to, well, I better say the king, right? Is he talking to King Charles? Oh, no, okay. Well, why is he doing these royal duties then? Is this for the crown, this Angola thing? Is that for the crown? Is it for the crown, work for the royal family, the crown, the institution? Oh, that is going to yes. That is going to yes. Is that why he met with the president of Angola in place of King Charles? Doing work for the crown, sorry. That's why is that why he met with the president? It's going to yes. And you know, all these people on X, I only went on it for a little while, so now I can't stand the energy. So, yeah. I mean, this is what and all of you guys disagreeing, you have the right to disagree. I don't care. Just be friendly in the comments. And I just kind of wanted to know, and I thought that you would be nosy too. And you would want to know as well. So let's see. Is this for the crown? And let's, or they give, so this isn't for Sussex then. I think I already asked that, didn't I? It's going to no. Okay. Did Charles commission it for Harry? Did Charles commission that for Harry? I am holding my hand as still as I can because he is Counsellor of State. That's going to yes. So why didn't, like, Princess Anne do it? Or Edward? Or, I mean, no. Okay. I don't know what else to ask. That was on my mind, and I just thought you guys would be nosy with me. And thank you to all of my lovely members for your support. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for all of my new subscribers. I can't believe it. It's wonderful. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy the content. And thank you to all of my lovely friends who've been with me from the beginning. Yeah, it's been a roller coaster, hasn't it? So anyway, thank you all. I appreciate you all. Please comment below and like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.